Oh my god. Wow. Hey there guys, what's going on here? Chandler Smith Vlogs. So guys, what's poppin'? I'm actually about to brush my teeth right now. I know my hair actually looks a mess. I actually took a really long nap, like the whole entire day sort of thing, because I stayed up all night long. And as of right now, I'm recording this vlog. It's still the same day. Today's Monday, but by the time this vlog's uploaded, it is going to be Tuesday. So happy Tuesday to you guys. I need to brush my teeth, so that's what we're gonna do for the intro for the vlog sort of thing, guys. So I got my toothbrush right here, and I'm actually about to get some toothpaste onto my toothbrush, and then I'll be brushing my teeth. You just pick it up like that, guys. Make sure you're brushing your teeth in the morning and at night, because it's really important that you brush your teeth, because otherwise if you're not brushing your teeth, you'll get yellow teeth like me. I'm just playing. Well, I kind of have yellow teeth because I haven't been brushing my teeth the past one day. I haven't brushed my teeth. Oh, I almost dripped off of the freaking camera almost. Ooh, that would have been bad. It almost dripped on the camera, not off the camera. Alright, let's brush our teeth, guys. Make sure you're getting the back of your teeth and the front and the side of your teeth and everything. You're trying to get all your teeth, including the back, to get rid of all that bacteria. Just like this, guys. And there we go. We have brushed my teeth. Simple as that. It just takes like 3 seconds, well, like 10 seconds to freaking brush your teeth. Did you hear that? Sorry about that. Okay, let's get out of here, guys. We're done brushing my teeth. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention, guys. You guys can't even see me. There we go. I actually ate a Subway sandwich. What is that sound? Hey, how you doing? What is that sound outside?
Brushing down the ice.
Oh, I can't hear anything. I know the camera can't hear anything. Jesus Christ. Apparently he's cutting the grass, guys. That's what that sound was. Sorry about all that loud noises, guys. I don't have a microphone on the camera right now, so until then, if a loud noise or whatever comes in the video, I have no control over that, guys, because I have no microphone yet. But that all changes by Wednesday, because we're planning on ordering a new microphone for the channel. It's pretty expensive. It's called the Video Mic Pro Plus. It's the second microphone that is manufactured. Well, I'm just gonna say it like this. It's made by Rode. That's what it's called. Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. It's a pretty good brand. It's pretty good for vlogging and talking to the camera and stuff like that. So that's perfect for me in the vlog, so that the audio is improved and everything. So yeah, that sounds great, guys. I can't wait to get that microphone. I got some good sleep last night, guys. I really did. Well, actually, I didn't go to sleep last night. I got some good sleep today, guys. I went to sleep right away when I got done vlogging those previous vlogs. I know that I said that those vlogs will be coming out pretty early, but I actually fell asleep, guys, which caused the vlogs to be out around 8 or 9, possibly 10, which isn't good. But these vlogs right here, guys, this one's gonna be coming out pretty early, I promise that, because I'm not gonna be going to stay awake all night again. I'm not doing that again, guys. Not again. I'm not staying up all through the night just to vlog early. And it's not even daylight, barely. It's barely daylight. It's like right now, sort of. It's getting dark right now. I have just enough daylight to vlog for you guys right now for Tuesday vlog sort of thing, because I'm doing the daily vlogs on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And here's another fact, guys. I actually do 2 vlogs a day on those days, but I said in the previous vlog that I'm not going over to Haley's house because she's having to work, I can't speak. She's having to work on her work for geometry class because apparently she's not doing too well in her geometry class. So she has to make all that up until June the 6th. So I won't be seeing her until June the 6th because she's having to, you know, get that work done. And I'm really concerned for her because, you know, I want her to succeed in 10th grade. We're both in the same, we're both in the same grade. We're both in 10th grade. And I want it to continue to be that way because, you know, I want my girlfriend to be in the same class with me and stuff, but I don't know if we're going to be in the same class because previously in 10th grade, we had no classes together. In 9th grade we did, but they changed the schedule for Haley in 9th grade. We originally had gym together, and I think we had another class together. No, we only had gym. And then they changed her schedule to something else, including Landon too. But yeah, that sucks, bro. That sucks so bad. Because that's my girlfriend, and her freaking schedule got changed in 9th grade. I'm looking at this freaking hay over here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Someone has some hay over here. Probably get some cows and some pigs over here. Probably trying to start a farm over here. I'm down. I'll get some vlogs in over here. Hello? Anybody there? Okay. I'm just saying, I'm down to vlog. Vlog, I'll help anybody. Cause I'm a nice guy. Can you guys agree with that? I'm a nice guy. I know I am. Anyways, guys, what was I gonna say? I actually got a comment in one of my videos by this person. I forgot their name. I'm sorry if they're watching this video, which I'm pretty sure they are. This person said that you should do a video where you're actually recording the Psycho Dad, which his real name is actually Tom. But the person asked me, one of my fans asked me if I could actually get a video of him being nice, sort of thing. I don't know if that can happen, guys. I don't know. He has a temper. He's not always happy. Is that the wording? I don't know if that's the wording, but he's not always happy. He's always angry, and he don't like to be on camera, so I'm trying to respect him and his privacy. He don't want to be recorded or videoed. So if he does get in the vlog somehow, I'm not gonna restart the vlog or anything. He's gonna be in the vlog if he actually gets into the vlog, just like a few minutes ago. So yeah, I've gotta get out of the road here. I'm not paying attention at all, guys. That's not good. I can get run over. Simple as that. But I don't know. I'm sorry if I don't remember your name, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. If I find a way to see him happy, I'll try to grab the camera and get it on camera and stuff. but for the most part, he's gonna be exactly like he is in the videos. If you guys haven't seen him in the vlogs, he's always yelling at me. He's like, hey, put the camera down, take out the trash, sort of thing. He always gets mad because I have the camera in my hand. He thinks I'm actually addicted to my camera, which, I mean, I kind of am addicted to my camera because I love vlogging. This is my favorite thing to do in the whole entire world. I mean, I could be in my room right now playing my video games. I could just quit YouTube, which, you know guys, I'm not gonna quit YouTube. I mean, this is my passion. I'm not quitting YouTube at all. My whole entire life, I'm gonna be doing vlogs for you guys and videos. Even if it's like one vlog a year, I'm gonna make sure I get something out to this channel, guys, for you guys in the future. But for the most part, I'm gonna be vlogging every single day. Well, I don't know about the rest of this year, but I'll be doing two vlogs every single day until I actually go back to Haley's house, and then I'll be doing the 2 vlogs a day on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, because I'll go over to Haley's house on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. There's so many cars coming back because around this time people are just now getting back from work and stuff, so I gotta watch out a little bit here. Wow, that's a pretty loud truck. Probably we were thinking that I was gonna say that's a pretty truck. Nope. Well, guess what? Guess what, guys? That was beautiful, wasn't it, guys? Very beautiful. I think I need to turn back here. Yeah, we're gonna turn back here, guys, because it's starting to get dark a little bit. What are those? Remember that meme? What are those? I used to think people were saying, what are hoes? Like, I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I don't know if you're talking about like the actual hose that you spray out water, or you're talking about the actual H-O-E-S word. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but I don't know what you're talking about, but I mean, what are those? I used to think they were saying, what are Doritos, sort of thing. But my neighbors are kind of giving me the smiles. Hello, how are you doing? What are you doing with the camera, recording yourself? They're probably thinking I'm retarded, or like, what is that kid doing in the middle of the road, vlogging himself? I mean, who does this, guys? Who does this in my neighborhood? I think I'm like the only person in my neighborhood that actually does this. I'm not sure if I'm the only one in my state of Georgia, which that's where I live, guys. I don't want to go into too much detail of that because, I mean, I have to be, you know, conscious of that because, you know, that's my privacy. I don't want to tell you guys where I live. Who would do that? Hey guys, I'll tell you guys what school I go to. It's not gonna be told to you guys because I got to be safe. I don't know. I think I'm being a little weird. I'm hearing cars, guys. What is that? Can you guys hear that? I don't know. That was weird. I heard some weird cars. I mean, there's a car right there, but I mean, it's not driving. I was trying to kind of pose for the thumbnail. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna run a little bit. I know it's gonna be windy, guys, but we need to hurry up and get back towards my house. Otherwise, it'll be dark, and I'll get run over by a car because they can't see me unless they had their headlights on. I don't hear anything, but I hear a car coming. Okay, I'm getting a little tired here running. Okay, I quit running because I have the camera in my hand. God, dude. This is insane. This is insane, guys. We're having a good time here, guys. We're vlogging. We got another vlog coming out today, guys. It's gonna be insane. I can see something in the distance. I thought it was a cat. I saw something run in my neighbor's yard. I can actually turn the camera towards my neighbor's yard if I want to, but I'm not going to because I wouldn't want people recording my yard without my permission. Would you guys want someone recording your yard without your consent? I would say I know the answer. No. No. You don't want people recording your yard. But what was I gonna say? Oh, that's what that sound was. A freaking lawnmower. From earlier, we saw the lawnmower. He's cutting the grass because the grass is getting really high. If you know what I'm talking about. What was I gonna say? Okay, I think that's it for the vlog, guys. I know we're having fun and everything, but I actually have a limited recording time, which is 30 minutes, but you know, I gotta get a second vlog out for you guys too, so I'm gonna have to end the vlog also because it's getting dark outside. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog later today, which is Tuesday, but as I'm recording this vlog and the second vlog, it is actually Monday. Alright guys, don't forget to keep subscribed. I love y'all to death, and don't forget to keep it subscribed. Peace. Make sure you brush your teeth. Alright guys, see you guys in the second vlog for today. Brush your teeth. Otherwise you'll get cavities.